ॐ नारायणं पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथास्य शिष्यं श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथास्य पद्मपादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यं तन्तोटकं वार्तिककारमन्यान् अस्मद्गुरून् सन्ततमानतोऽस्मि। आत्मविदः कर्मयोग असंभवः और आत्मविदः कर्माभावः, this was mentioned in Bhagavad Gita in many places while talking about Atmaswarupa. This was stated by the Siddhanti. Then Purvapakshi asked a question. Just like karma bhava, even karma yoga is also mentioned in many places in Bhagavad Gita while talking about Atma Jnana. See, nanu cha karma yogopi Atma Swarupa Nirupana Pradesheshu तत्र प्रतिपाद्यते एव ननु च कर्मयोगः अपि यथा कर्माभावः प्रतिपाद्यते तथा कर्मयोगः अपि आत्मस्वरूपनिरूपणप्रदेशेषु तत्र प्रतिपाद्यते एव. It is also mentioned tatra here and there Atmaswarupanirupanapradesheshu while describing Atmaswarupa, on the occasions of describing Atmaswarupa. Tadyatha तस्माद् युध्यस्व भारत स्वधर्ममपि चावेक्ष्य कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते इत्यादौ. He gives some instances where karma yoga is mentioned. Tadyatha, yatha, for example, for instance, tasmad yudhyasva bharata. So this is also during Atmaswarupa. Atmaswarupa prakarana itself, he says, tasmad yudhyasva bharata. And then swadharmamapi chavekshana vikampitum. So these two verses are clearly in the place of Jnana Prakarana, Atma Swarupa Prakarana. And Karmanyevadhikaraste ityadau, in such occasions, in such statements, Karma Yoga is mentioned. Atascha katham atmavidah karmayogasya asambhavasyaditi. Atascha, therefore, Purvapakshi is asking the Siddhanti, how can you say that an Atmajnani cannot have karma yoga? Katham atmavidah karmayogasya asambhavasyat. How an Atmajnani will have karmayogasya asambhavaha? This is Purvapaksha. Then Siddhanti answers. अत्रोच्यते
अत्रोच्यते
सम्यक् ज्ञान मिथ्या ज्ञान
सम्यक् ज्ञान मिथ्या ज्ञान
तत्कार्य विरोधात्
तत्कार्य विरोधात्
ज्ञानयोगेन सांख्यानाम् इत्यनेन
ज्ञानयोगेन सांख्यानाम् इत्यनेन
सांख्यानाम् आत्मतत्त्वविदाम् अनात्मवित् कर्तृक कर्मयोगनिष्ठातः निष्क्रियात्मस्वरूपावस्थानलक्षणायाः ज्ञानयोगनिष्ठायाः पृथक्करणात् कृतकृत्यत्वेन आत्मविदः प्रयोजनान्तराभावात् तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते इति कर्तव्यान्तराभाववचनाच्च So he gives various reasons why a jnani cannot have karma. Samyak jnana mithya jnana tatkarya virodha. This is one reason. Samyak jnana is opposed to mithya jnana and its karya. Mithya jnana means ajnana and its karya is effects. This is one reason. Then another reason, jnana yogena sankhyanam ityanena sankhyanam atmatattvavidam anatmavitkartrika karmayoga nishthatah निष्क्रियात्मस्वरूपावस्थानलक्षणायाः ज्ञानयोगनिष्ठायाः पृथक्करणात्. So ज्ञानयोगेन सांख्यानां कर्मयोगेन योगिनां लोकेऽस्मिन् द्विविधा निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्ता मया नघ. ज्ञानयोगेन सांख्यानां कर्मयोगेन योगिनाम् इति इत्यनेन. By this statement, the Sankhya's means the Jnana Yogis, Jnanis, they are distinguished from the Karma Yogis. It is another indication which points at the impossibility of Karma Yoga for a Jnani. So, Sankhyanam means Atma Tattva Vidam. Sankhyas are Atma Jnanis. They have Jnana Yoga Nishtha. Their Nishtha is Jnana Yoga Nishtha. Sankhyanam Atma Tattva Vidam Jnana Yoga Nishthayaha. And their Jnana Yoga Nishtha is characterized by Nishkriyatmaswarupavasthanalakshanayaha. It is characterized by abiding in the Atmaswarupa, which is free from all actions. So from that, this Nishkriyatmaswarupavasthanalakshanayaha Jnanayoganishtayaha Prithakkaranat. This Jnana Yoga Nishtha, it is separated, distinguished from Karma Yoga. What is Karma Yoga? Anatmavitkartrika Karma Yoga Nishtataha. The Karma Yoga Nishtha, which is Anatmavitkartrika, which is taken to by Ajnanis. So from that, Jnana Yoga Nishtha is distinguished. So Jnana Nishthayaha is a Shashti Ekavachana. Jnana Nishthayaha Prithakkarana. The distinction of jnana nishtha from karma nishtha. So this is another reason why a jnani cannot have karma. Kritakrityattvena atmavidah prayojanantara bhavat. Third reason, jnani is kritakrityaha and atmavit is kritakrityaha. He has accomplished what has to be accomplished. Therefore, he does not have any other purpose which has to be accomplished. Atmavidah kritakrityattvena. Since an Atmajnani is kritakrityaha, he has accomplished what has to be accomplished. He has found the fulfillment in life. Therefore, kartavyantara prayojanantara abhava. A jnani does not have anything else to be accomplished. Therefore, why he will have to do karma? The karma does not serve any purpose to an Atmajnani. So, if you tell him to do karma for any material purpose, he will not do, because he is not interested in any material pursuit. Or if you tell him you do karma for getting chitta shuddhi, even then he will not do karma, because he does not even need chitta shuddhi, because he already has jnana. Therefore, he does not have to accomplish chitta shuddhi anymore. If you tell a jnani, you should get chitta shuddhi, so do karma, what will a jnani say? A jnani will say that chitta is not mine. I am not chitta. I am distinct from chitta. And even the chitta is mithya. Therefore, I don't have to accomplish chitta shuddhi also. That is what a jnani will say. So, jnani does not have any purpose to be accomplished by karma. Tasya karyam na vidyate iti kartavyantara abhava vachanaccha. Also in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has clearly stated that a jnani does not have any kartavya. Jnani does not have any duty or any obligation that he is entitled to. Tasya karyam na vidyate yastvatmaratireva syat atmatruptascha manavaha atmanyeva cha santushtas tasya karyam na vidyate naiva tasya kritenartho na kriteneha kaschana na chasya sarvabhuteshu kaschidardhavyapashayaha. In chapter 3, Karma Yoga, while talking about Karma Yoga itself, Krishna has made this statement. One who is a jnani, he is exempted from karma. So, tasya karyam na vidyate iti kartavyantara abhava vachanat. There is no kartavyantara, there is nothing more to be done or accomplished by a jnani. This is stated in Bhagavad Gita. Na karmanāmanārambhāt.
न कर्मणामनारम्भात्
इत्यादिना च आत्मज्ञानांगत्वेन कर्मयोगस्य विधानात् योगारूढस्य तस्यैव शमः कारणमुच्यते
शमः कारणमुच्यते
इत्यनेन च
इत्यनेन च
उत्पन्न सम्यक् दर्शनस्य
उत्पन्न सम्यक् दर्शनस्य
कर्मयोगाभाववचनात्
कर्मयोगाभाववचनात्
शारीरं केवलं कर्म
शारीरं केवलं कर्म
कुर्वन्नाप्नोति किल्बिषम्
कुर्वन्नाप्नोति किल्बिषम्
इति च शरीरस्थितिकारणातिरिक्तस्य
शरीरस्थितिकारणातिरिक्तस्य
कर्मणः निवारणात् नैव किञ्चित् करोमीति
नैव किञ्चित् करोमीति
युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित् इत्यनेन च शरीरस्थितिमात्रप्रयुक्तेष्वपि दर्शनश्रवणादिकर्मसु
आत्मयाथात्म्यविदः
नाहं करोमि इति प्रत्ययस्य समाहितचेतस्तया सदा कर्तव्यत्वोपदेशात् करोमि इति प्रत्ययस्य समाहितचेतस्तया अकर्तव्यत्वोपदेशात्. This is one reading. Instead of नाहं करोमि इति प्रत्ययस्य समाहितचेतस्तया अकर्तव्यत्वोपदेशात्. This is one reading. And another reading is नाहं करोमि इति प्रत्ययस्य समाहितचेतस्तया सदा अकर्तव्यत्वोपदेशात्. This is another reading. And Satchidanandendra Swamiji of Halanarsipur says that this reading Naham Karomi iti pratyayasya samahita chetastaya sada kartavyatvopadeshat, it is a better reading than Karomi iti kartavyatvopadesha, akartavyatvopadesha. So because the statement naiva kinchit karomi iti yukto manyeta tattvavit, if you paraphrase that statement, naham karomi iti pratyasya samahita chetastaya kartavyatvopadeshat, this paraphrasing is more in keeping with that line naiva kinchit karomi iti yukto manyeta tattvavit. And Bhashyakara is paraphrasing that. That is why that this reading, this version is better. So we will go through. So there are many other places also where a jnani is not entitled for karma, it is mentioned. Then who is entitled for karma? For who Karma Yoga has been told? Karma Yoga has been told for an ajnani as a preparation for jnana. And therefore Bhashyakara says, Bhashyakara quotes the places, the statements where Karma Yoga is enjoined. And he also shows that it is enjoined for ajnani as a preparation for jnana. Na karmana manarambhat. This is a place where karma yoga is told. One should do karma yoga. It is told in this statement. Na karmana manarambhat naishkarmyam purushoshnute. It will come there. It has already come in shloka in chapter 3. Sannyasasthu mahabaho dukkhamaptumayogataha, it will come later. So, ayogataha means without karma yoga, it is not possible to get sannyasa. Sannyasa means jnana sannyasa. So the proper sannyasa, which is a jnana sannyasa, it is not possible to get without yoga. Yoga yukto munir brahma nachirenadhigacchati is the next line. Yoga yuktaha means one who has karma yoga, he in due course of time attains jnana. So, ityadina cha, with such a statement, atmajnana angatvena karma yogasya vidhanat. Karma yoga is enjoined as atmajnana anga. Here anga means sadhana, as a sadhana for getting atmajnana. But once you get atmajnana, karma yoga is not prescribed. And it is clearly told in certain statements like yogarudhasya tasyaiva shamah karanamuchyate, chapter 6. Arurukshor muner yogam karma karanamuchyate, yogarudhasya tasyaiva shamah karanamuchyate. Yogam aruruksho, one who wants to attain jnana, for him karma is mentioned as a means. But when he is yogarudha, once he has attained jnana or even the readiness to go for jnana, then shamah karanamuchyate. Shamaha means karma tyaga, sannyasa. Karma tyaga is mentioned as the means. Ityanena cha, by such a statement, उत्पन्न सम्यक दर्शनस्य कर्मयोग अभाव वचनात्. उत्पन्न सम्यक दर्शनस्य, one who has attained सम्यक दर्शन. उत्पन्नं सम्यक दर्शनम यस्य सः, उत्पन्न सम्यक दर्शनः, one who has already attained सम्यक दर्शन, for him कर्म yoga abhava is mentioned. Shariram kevalam karma kurvannapnoti kilbisham. So, this is again about a jnani, which we saw in chapter 4. A jnani does only shariram kevalam karma. Shariram means what? Sharira sthiti-matra prayojanam karma. The karma meant for sustenance of the body. Only that much karma. Iti sharira sthiti karana atiriktasya karmana nivaranat. For a jnani, the karma which is other than sharira sthiti karana, the karma other than the activities meant for sustenance of the body, they are negated, ruled out. Nivarana. Also, naiva kinchit karomi iti yukto manyeta tattvavit ityanena cha. By this statement, naiva kinchit karomi iti yukto manyeta tattvavit, jnani. Even while doing the activities, pashyan shanvan sprashan jighan ashnan gachan swapanchvasan pralapan visrajan grinhan unmishan nimishan napi indriyani indriyartheshu vartanta iti dharayan naiva kinchit karomi iti yukto manyeta tattvavit. A jnani yuktaha means samahitaha, focused. He should remain focused in Atma Jnana. He remains focused in Atma Jnana. And even while performing the activities, he understands Naiva kinchit karomi. I am not doing anything. This is his understanding. Means kartrutva abhava. Ityanena cha. By this statement, शरीर स्थिति मात्र प्रयुक्तेष्वपि कर्मसु, even in the karma which are meant for sustaining the body. What kind of karma? Darshana shravanadi karmasu, karmas like seeing, hearing, etc., which are meant for just sustaining the body, just conducting his day-to-day sustenance. Even in those karmas, atma yathatma vidaha, for an atma jnani who knows the truth of atma, what is told by Krishna, naham kinchit karomi, naham karomi iti pratyayasya. This understanding, naham karomi, I am not doing anything, samahita chetastaya, with the focused mind, it is conveyed by the word yuktaha in the moola. Samahita chetastaya sada kartavyatvopadeshat. So Krishna has suggested a jnani to have this pratyaya, this understanding, to entertain this understanding always. I am not the doer of this understanding. Therefore, a jnani does not have karma. आत्मतत्त्वविदः सम्यक् दर्शन विरुद्धः मिथ्याज्ञानहेतुकः कर्मयोगः स्वप्नेऽपि न संभावयितुं शक्यते यस्मात् तस्मात् अनात्मवित्कर्तृकयोरेव संन्यासकर्मयोगयोः निःश्रेयसकरत्ववचनम् तदीयाच्च कर्मसन्न्यासात् पूर्वोक्तात्मवित्कर्तृक सर्वकर्मसन्न्यास विलक्षणात् पूर्वोक्त आत्मवित्कर्तृक सर्वकर्म संन्यास विलक्षणात् सत्येव कर्तृत्व विज्ञाने कर्मैकदेश विषयात् यमनियमादि सहितत्वेन च दुरनुष्ठेयत्वात् सुकरत्वेन च कर्मयोगस्य विशिष्टत्वाभिधानात् इत्येवं विशिष्टत्वाभिधानम् इत्येवं प्रतिवचनवाक्यार्थनिरूपणेनापि पूर्वोक्तः प्रष्टुरभिप्रायः निश्चीयते इति स्थितम् Yasmat is there. Yasmat should come first. Yasmat Atma Tattva Vidaha Samyak Darshana Viruddhaha Mithyaඥāna Hetuka Karma Yogaha Swapnepi na Sambhavayitum Shakyate. Yasmat, since, because of all the reasons that are told before there. So, Atma Tattvavidah, for an Atmajnani, Samyak Darshana Viruddha Mithya Jnana Hetuka Karma Yoga. The Karma Yoga, which is Mithya Jnana Hetukaha. Karma Yoga is possible only when there is Mithya Jnana, only when there is Ajnana. And it is Samyak Darshana Viruddha. It is opposed to Samyak Darshana. It cannot coexist with the Samyak Darshana. That kind of Karma Yoga, Atma Vidaha Swapnepi na Sambhavaitum Shakyate. For an Atma Jnani, Atma Tattva Vidaha, it cannot be justified even in dream. Swapnepi na Sambhavaitum Shakyate means Sarvatha Sambhavaitum na Shakyate. It cannot be justified by any means. Therefore, Tasmat. So now he is concluding the discussion. The discussion which started with Prativachana Vakyartha Nirupanenapi Prashturabhiprayaha Evameva Iti Gamyate. It was there. We saw this, I think, not in the last session, before that. Last session or before that we saw. Prativachana Vakyartha Nirupanenapi Prashturabhiprayaha Evameva Iti Gamyate. That is being concluded now. So, now the Prativachana Vakyartha Nirupanam was done so far. Now he is concluding. Tasmat, therefore, Anatmavit Kartrakayoreva Sanyasa Karma Yogayoho Nishchayasakaratva Vachanam. In Prativachana Vakya, in the answer by Krishna, what he is telling about, it is Anatmavit Kartrakayoreva Sanyasa Karma Yogayoho Nishchayasakaratva Vachanam. The Nishchayasakaratva which is stated, it is about the sannyasa and karma yoga of an anatmajna, an ajnani, anatmavit kartrakayoho eva, sannyasa karma yoga. The sannyasa and karma yoga which are taken to by an anatmavit, an ajnani, Nishchayasakaratva Vachanam. Their Nishchayasakaratva is being stated. For an Ajnani, both Sannyasa and Karma Yoga, both can lead to moksha, not directly, indirectly. But among those two, Karma Yoga is superior compared to Karma Sannyasa. Tadiyacha karma sannyasat, compared to his karma sannyasa. Tadiya means anatmavidah. Anatmavidah karma sannyasat. And anatmavidah karma sannyasa is different from atmavidah karma sannyasa. The sannyasa of an ajnani is different from sannyasa of a jnani. The sannyasa of an ajnani is characterized by I am not the doer, I am not the enjoyer, this understanding. Whereas the sannyasa of a jnani has this understanding, I am not the doer. Whereas the sannyasa of an ajnani, it still has kartrutva buddhi. An ajnani has kartrutva buddhi. Therefore, Bhashyakara says it is also a part of karma only. If an ajnani takes to sannyasa, even he is doing another type of karma, that's all. Only less karma, that's all. Less physical activities, but more mental activities. So, tadiyacha karma sannyasa, the karma sannyasa of an ajnani, and Bhashyakara explains that sannyasa. पूर्वोक्त आत्मवित् कर्तृक सर्वकर्म संन्यास विलक्षणात्. It is distinct from the sarvakarma sannyasa. And Atmajnani sannyasa is sarvakarma sannyasa. And it is purvokta. It was described before. And this sannyasa is vilakshana, different in nature compared to that sannyasa. And how is this sannyasa? Satyeva kartrutva vijnani. He has kartrutva vijnana. And ajnani still has the doership identification. Kartrutva vijnana means the doership identification. He still identifies himself as the doer. So, satyeva kartrutva vijnani karma sannyasa. Karma ekadesha vishayat. And this karma sannyasa is karma ekadesha vishaya. This falls within karma. This belongs to a particular type of karma. Karma ekadesha means a portion of karma only. A variety of karma only, a part of karma only is this karma sannyasa. So that kind of karma sannyasa. So tadiyacha karma sannyasa, that is qualified. See, all these are adjective of tadiyacha karma sannyasa. पूर्वोक्तात्मवित् कर्तृक सर्वकर्म संन्यास लक्षणात् सत्येव कर्तृत्व विज्ञाने कर्मैकदेश विषयात् तदीयात् कर्म संन्यासात्. And this karma sannyasa of an ajnani is more difficult to perform than the regular karma. The regular karma yoga is easier for him because the regular karma yoga is in keeping with his swabhava. He has the tendency to do karma. Whereas this kind of sannyasa, this involves more restraint. Yamaniyamadi sahitattvena cha duranushtheyatvat. This sannyasa is duranushtheya, difficult to perform. Why? Yamaniyamadi sahitattvena, because it involves yama, niyama, ityadi. Yama, niyama, so many disciplines, so many restraints, ityadi are there. Yamaniyamadi sahitattvena duranushtheyatvat. It is difficult to perform, but the karma yoga, the regular karma yoga, it is easier for an ajnana. Sukaratvena cha karma yogasya. Karma yoga is sukara, easier to perform compared to this kind of sannyasa. So every day he has to do puja, every day he has to do dhyana, japa. So that is the gauna sannyasa. He has more austerities, more restrictions, more disciplines. It is not easy to perform. Whereas karma yoga is easier to perform. So karma yogasya sukaratvena vishishtatvabhidhanam. That is why karma yoga is mentioned as superior. Vishishtatvabhidhanam ityevam. Thus prativachana vakyartha nirupanena, by analyzing and ascertaining the meaning of prativachana, the purport of prativachana, Krishna's answer, what we understand, prashturabhiprayah purvoktah nishchiyate iti sthitam. Prashturabhipraya, the abhipraya, the intention of the one who asked the question, Arjuna, it is purvoktaha. It is purvoktaha nishchiyate. It is as told by us and it is ascertained. It is sthitam. This is established. So, from all these, Bhashyakara established that the question asked by Arjuna is regarding sannyasa and karma yoga of an ajnani. For an ajnani, which one is better? That is the question. जायसी चेत् कर्मणस्ते इत्यत्र
जायसी चेत् कर्मणस्ते इत्यत्र
ज्ञानकर्मणोः सहा संभवे
ज्ञानकर्मणोः सह संभवे
यत् श्रेय एतयोः
यत् श्रेय एतयोः
तन्मे ब्रूहि इत्येवं पृष्टः अर्जुनेन भगवान् सांख्यानां सन्न्यासिनां ज्ञानयोगेन निष्ठा कर्मयोगेन योगिनां निष्ठा प्रोक्ता इति निर्णयं चकार. So Bhashyakara is further clarifying why Arjuna is asking this question. In chapter 3, Jayasi chet karmanaste ityatra. In chapter 3 also, Arjuna asked a question. If karma, if buddhi, jnana is superior to karma, then why you are forcing me to do karma yoga? Ityatra. In that place, in that occasion, jnana karmanoha saha sambhave. Jnana and karma are not possible. Therefore, yachaya etayorekam tanme bruhi sunishchitam ityevam. Among these two, karma and jnana, which one is shreyaha, which one is superior? Please tell me that. Ityevam prishtaha Arjunena. Arjuna was asked so by Bhagavan. Then he said, Sankhyanam sannyasinam jnana yogena nishtha. As an answer to that question, Bhagavan had said there are two nishthas. Sankhyanam, the Sankhyas, means jnanis, who are sannyasis. Jnana yogena nishtha, the jnana nishtha was told for them. And karma yogena yoginam nishtha prokta, the karma yoga nishtha was mentioned for yogis. It is nirnayam chakar. This nirnaya, this conclusion was made by Arjuna, by Bhagavan. Then he also stated, Nacha sanyasanadeva kevalat siddhim samadhigacchati iti vachanat jnana sahitasya siddhi sadhanatvam ishtam. So he also stated that sanyasanadeva kevala sannyasa means sannyasa without jnana does not give siddhi. Siddhim na samadhigacchati. One does not attain siddhi. One does not attain moksha. So, iti vachanat, by this statement, what he implied, jnana sahitasya siddhi sadhanatvam ishtam. ज्ञान सहित संन्यास leads to siddhi moksha. That was told in chapter 3. Now कर्म योगस्य च विधानात्. So karma yoga was also enjoined in chapter 3. So see here, kevala sannyasa was also mentioned. Sannyasana deva siddhim sana samadhi gacchati. So kevala sannyasa was mentioned, though it was told as not going to lead to siddhi directly. Also karma yoga is also mentioned. That means for one who does not have jnana, he can do kevala sannyasa and he can do karma yoga also. Karma yogasya cha vidhanat. Then Arjuna will get a question. For a jnana rahitasya sannyasah shreyan kimva karma yoga shreyan. One who does not have jnana, which is superior to him, whether kevala sannyasa, that means jnana rahita sannyasa, whether that is superior or karma yoga is superior. Ityetayoho vishesha bhutsaya Arjuna uvacha. Arjuna is asking the question to understand the distinction between sannyasa and karma yoga for an ajnana. So now he is explaining the shloka proper. We will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.